Today we'll learn about firearm safety. The Tennessee General Assembly passed a law that Tennessee students, K through 12, will be given age-appropriate firearm safety instruction every year. What is a firearm? A firearm is a gun. A gun shoots out metal bullets. Learning goals. How to tell the difference between toy guns and real guns. Learn the gun safety rules and show how to be safe and smart around guns. Gun identification and safe storage. Toy guns. They're made for play. Colorful, made of plastic, make sounds, and light up. They're still not safe to point at people. Even toy guns can be dangerous. It might be real, even if it looks like a toy. Real guns are not toys. Do not play with real guns. Only grown-ups should handle them. No guns at school. Leave all guns and toy guns at home to keep schools safe. Safe gun storage. Store guns in a locked safe. Safe gun storage keeps everyone safe. This is an example of unsafe gun storage. Do not touch. Gun safety rules. Number 1. Stop what you were doing. Number 2. Don't touch. Number 3. Leave the area quickly. Number 4. Tell a grown-up right away. Here are the parts of a gun: the barrel, the muzzle, and the trigger. Never touch the trigger. Here is the barrel. The bullet moves down the barrel. This is the muzzle. Never point the muzzle at anyone. What do you do? Remember your safety rules. Stop what you're doing. Don't touch. Leave the area quickly and tell a grown-up right away.